that is a disgusting noise. From the research that I did on cold wax medium, this guy, you gotta burnish it. So that's what I'm doing in the next clip. Oh god. Oh, I'm struggling. Oh my god, that noise was egregious. So you're supposed to burnish it, and it's supposed to like really get it in there. Can we see a difference? I don't know. Can you see a difference between the top and the bottom? Does one look? I don't know. It kind of all looks the same, but this is the next. I don't know. I feel like it makes the strawberries brighter. Oh yeah. And as you can see, the painting now has like a soft velvet texture, which honestly is very nice. You don't feel like you're gonna smudge it. And I will be doing this to my paintings from now on, even some ones that I completed recently. And thank you for watching. If you would like to purchase this painting, it is available on my website at howboutwedo.com, and the name of the painting is Strawberry Fields. It'll be under the original paintings tab. Go get it. Go get it!